Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. I'm recording my PC now. I found a way to record and use a mic. It does sound really weird though, so I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'm gonna make an update video now. This is Rensselaer County. I am doing, yes, an update video. They've added quite a lot actually. They have added key fob system featuring remote start, keyless entry and more. They've added drive modes, and they've also added admin system, and they've added 20 new cars. So here's one of them. This is the Nissan Z. Christ, that thing's quite loud, isn't it? So yeah, you've got this remote start. Let me go into my garage. I've put dynamic features on, so they've also added like electrical handbrakes for cars that have it in real life. This doesn't though, so we'll showcase that in a minute. If I go inside here, because it's quite rainy at the moment. PC glitches be like. Come here and say I want to start my car without being in it. You can do that. So basically, it has to be locked though for some reason. I'm not too sure why. Oh, being unlocked. It says locked. Okay, unlock it again. Okay, start. There you go. So yeah, this is one of the update cars as well. We also have another couple of cars. So I'll show off the electric handbrake. I need to get out of the garage now. It doesn't have it on this car for some reason. I'm not too sure why. It does have it on the Accords as well. So we're gonna take the Accord for a drive. Oh God. Right, get rid of the house thing on the screen. There we go. So, listen to this. The rain. Not the rain, but listen. So if I brake and then I turn on. It also does it in park gear, which I think is a very, 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 very cool feature. I absolutely love that. If I drive off as well though, it shouldn't give me a seatbelt. Yeah, it does. I don't think you can do sends in them, though, with like, handbrakes, so if I go... No, you can't do send with it. You can't do send with electrical handbrake, so yeah, this is the Accords. Oh, okay, Accords. So yeah, basically to turn drive modes on, you just press this button down here, and then you see this thing comes up. I don't know what this does, it doesn't do anything, but if I press Sport, it's really fast. If I press Eco, it's really slow. Comfort is kind of fast, and Sport is really fast. They've also added the autumn map, by the way, as well. It's pretty sick. Ah, my PC's lagging. Oh. Everyone's car alarm's going off at this bloody point. So we've got the Nissan Z as well. I'm surprised I could buy this car actually, because I don't have any passes in this game, because I barely play it. So then we've got the Nissan Z. Let's just drive this thing around. Nice. One thing I've noticed about this game is they have like the actual indicators sounds for each car which people continue. So this is Nissan. And if we get back in the Accords, I think this is an Accord anyway. No, that's the wrong seat. Okay, brilliant. Right. So it's different. And then if you go with the Volkswagen, they should have Volkswagen indicators. Yeah. Let's try this thing out. But yeah, that's kind of about really it. It's just 3 cars with those features, which are very cool. It did take a while of the update. But yes, it is June when the revamp released, and it's October, and now this release. It's not too bad, obviously. This it's brand new revamp. I don't know, it's quite hard for them. But yeah, this is a pretty overall good update, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.